Morning traders. Let's have a look at the Dow. So I think that the tide is turning on the Dow. Um, I've been expecting a bounce up, and I think I'm probably going to start changing my tune based on what I see on the weekly at the moment. So a couple of things on the weekly. First thing is we've had a crossover here. You see Tegenson and Tegenson have crossed over. And the second thing that is in play here is we have finished the week with a pretty big indecision range bar. Okay, so we've got a long tail at the top, we've got a long tail at the bottom, a small body, which indicates indecision. And the challenge with this is if we start pulling down to the daily, you'll see that there are a couple of key things here. So the 200 EMA has been holding up price for quite some time. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 10 days of trading where we've just been bouncing off the 200 EMA. So now a break below here and we're looking at 22,000. A break above here and we're looking at 26,000. So there is quite a massive short or long burn. I mean, at this stage it's difficult to say. Um, I was expecting us to sort of hit this area or retest and bounce back up to the top. But I think the longer this trade war playground tit for tat carries on, the less chance we have of getting a direction. And if the tariffs do come through, the direction is going to be down. I mean, there's no ways investors are going to be so spooked about that. And so let's just have a look at a level in there. Okay, so that level coincides with the 200 EMA. Okay, let's go down to the 4 hour, try and see. So we had some bullish action. We had a twist. The cloud was looking bright for us. Sickle span was through, then came back in to price. We had broken through the cloud as well. And again, you see how the 200 EMA offered resistance. Okay. The other thing to note is there's the previous breakout, which was tested here. But typically, when it's tested once, look for the next breakout. Okay. So copy that. That there is the next breakout. So why do I say that? Because that is the next low. That's the next tail to the bottom, and that's the next low. You see what I mean? And should price come back up here, then your next breakout is going to be the bottom of those two tails. You can see it kind of almost made it to there. So the rule of thumb here is you can actually pretty much always, when you see a tail like this, you can pretty much always put an order in here for the reversal. And if you're sitting at your desk, you can put your order in because you'll pick up a quick 100 or 200 point scalp. Alternatively, what will happen is it will actually bounce off that area. So for me, if we're in a trend, like we are trending down at the moment, or we were trending down, you can see here, that was the trend. So we created a new high, yeah. Okay. So right now, we're definitely ranging. You can see the sideways movement. The weekly bar has formed. We do have sort of a double bottom here. Okay. And this double bottom, if it plays out, will break the range. Lift that horizontal, lift that out so you can see the black line as the weekly top, the high of the week, it is, and that's the top of the range. So if this double top or double bottom plays out, then we do break the range. Okay, so I suppose the jury's out at the moment. Everything hinges on China and Trump at the moment with their Twitter war. So I think for me, I'm just going to change my tune a little bit on the Dow, and I will take a stab at along in this area, and I'll see what happens on Monday morning. If this inside bar here holds, which is right sort of at the 50, probably 61.8 Fibonacci of the range. Look, there you go. Yeah, so it's turned at 61.8 of this range. So if this holds, this level here holds, then we definitely will be moving to the upside. So I suppose you can say I'm still slightly bullish, and let's just get a target for this, which would take us to pretty close to 38.2 extension of the range. What else is close there? There is a flat cloud and the pin bar. Okay, and more pin bar and more flat cloud. So that would still be my play, although I'm a little bit hesitant. So I think what I'll be doing is just wait to see if this inside bar holds. So if this holds and we're not falling further, I will take a stab, but more than likely from the 1 hour. And what you'd want to do is this go up, come down to kind of this area, or even a double bottom, and then start moving. So you can try and keep your stock to within 100 points, and keep your position small enough that stays inside your risk profile. So yes, so that's the Dow. Definitely spent the week ranging. We're looking for a break of that range, either to the upside or the downside, and you just ride the storm. So the logical play would be to go long at the bottom of the range and to go short at the top of the range. Yeah. Remember, the breakouts really follow through. Sometimes you can have 4, 5, or 10 sort of breakout before it follows through. So, and if you are long, it's pretty easy to dump what you have and just go the opposite direction and play the breakout. Anyway, that's it for me for the Dow. Hope it helps. Catch you later.